everyone, so I'm going to be doing a first impression video on the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Morphe and JACLYN Hill Vault collection. I'm going to be doing a first impression on every palette, and I'm also going to be doing reviews, tutorials, all that sort of stuff. There's not really any super light transition shades. That's a first complaint. So we're going to take the shade Access, which is like a dark mustardy yellow but not super mustardy, and I'm just taking that on a BH Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm just gonna, okay, they're pigmented, lightly. The reason I'm doing a first impression is so that I can really show you guys how it performs, and I really want to just get in depth with this since I wasn't sure if I was even going to get this, but I decided to. I'm going to go in again and just build up the color. Bring it down pretty much to the inner corner, and then I just wipe the brush off and use it to blend. I'm also going to be using the JACLYN Hill and Morphe 8 brush set collection. This has all the eye brushes from the brush collab they did. I've yet to use them, so I'm very excited to try them. And I'm just going to put no product on that, and I'm going to blend. This brush is super soft. Wow. So, looking up close, I mean, I'm trying to see if there's any skipping or anything, but I can't tell. Next, I'm going to take this shade Secure, and I'm gonna, whoa, that is also super pigmented. I'm going to build this into the outer corner and then blend up into the outer third of my crease. And my goal is to not take the colors too close to the brow bone, but I always end up doing that anyways, so I won't be surprised if I do again. You just want to blend that out. I think I blended out pretty seamlessly. I'm going to take the JH32, and I'm just going to go in with that completely clean, and I'm just going to blend out the edges softly. Next, on the JH33 brush, I'm going to go into Agent and Smooth Criminal. Lightly. Okay, there is no lightly with this palette. This is freaking pigmented. I'm just putting that on the outer third again, but I'm mainly just focusing it on the lid, and then I will blend out with whatever's left into the crease. Going back in with the JH30 to further blend this look out. For this first look, I'm going to use a mix of Guilt Trip and Coin. Next, what I want to do is I'm going to take Smooth Criminal by itself, just very lightly, and build it up the slightest amount in the outer corner. I'm honestly kind of surprised that these are working, because I didn't think that they would, so I'm quite happy. I mean, I barely have to do any work blending. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the shade Coin, and I'm going to just put that on the inner third of my lid. I'm using the JH41 to try and pick up the product, but not much is coming off, so we'll see if I have to use it damp. Whoa. Do y'all see that? Wow. That's gorgeous. That is pigmented for a shadow that isn't damp. And it's glittery, but it's not clumpy at all or anything. I love it. And then I'm gonna add Classified onto the outer corner. Oh, I don't like this one. I don't see that shade at all. Ooh, it's not working good. So we're gonna go in with Smooth Criminal again. Okay, for my lower lash line, I'm going to start with Access on the JH33, and I'm just going to blend that on my lower lash line. I'm trying to stay as close to the lash line as possible. Then I'm going to go into Smooth Criminal on a JH39. Okay, so this is the finished look using the Arm & Gorgeous palette. My final thoughts are I think this would be a really, really great fall palette. Mine had really no performance issues. The shade Classified is a little lighter on the skin than it is in the pan, so keep that in mind. But besides that, I really enjoyed how they blended. And they were super pigmented, which I can always appreciate. I'll definitely use it a few more times and let you guys know what I think, but overall, I'm loving it. Overall, the Armed and Gorgeous palette is actually really good. I would definitely recommend trying it. It's only like 20 bucks.